How to install an app that's not in the store. This is for Android only, and this is for mobile apps that aren't in the Play Store. So this specifically is to help install and how to figure out how to do it. The first thing you need to do is download or get the APK file and download it onto the mobile device that you want to use it. So as I said, it's for Android only, and please be warned that it can be dangerous if you don't know where you're installing this APK file from. So once you've installed it, you'll have to navigate to where you've downloaded onto onto the phone. This will usually be into like My Files or something of the sort. You can do a general search to try and find this inside of in the list of apps. And generally, if you're downloading something, it will go into the like My Downloads place. So on the first time that you're installing a APK file or app that's not in the store, when you click on it, it will come up with some message to say that you need to enable it, basically. So if you follow the instruction, what it says, you'll see that it's gone into install unknown apps, and it's telling me to enable it for my files. So I'm going to click on that, and then it will allow me to install that file. Alternatively, I can go into enable it manually. So I can go into settings, and then in settings you can type in um, just type in unknown, and you should see that it says install unknown apps. You can click on that, and then you'll have to navigate to find it. And we can see that my files is there, so I'm going to enable that. So going back into install the file, I should be able to click on it, and it'll now enable me to install it. Thank you.